winners of the many international paragliding competitions here in Bindoy. See you all at Mexico Peak, and may the winds be ever in your favor. Mabuhay ang dagang salamat, Sulbong Bindoy Apan.
When I took an official as a mayor last July 1, 2022, tourism is my priority programs. It is a hard challenge and ambition on my part to develop this municipality into a prime tourism destination as a meaningful strategy in climate change, mitigation and adaptation, while improving the quality of life of all Bindoyanos. With that, and in spite of the fact that we have limited financial capability,
Nindot kaayo. My message will be to the paragliders that you just have to enjoy the moment, the breathtaking view, the scenic view of Bindoy, and you also have to make sure that we are all safe, because safety is our #1 priority in this event.
So we are finally aggressively promoting our tourism destinations. You know, Bindoy for one is a perfect example sa atong mantra diri sa lalawigan. So may ato yun na mura o poster diri sa lalawigan is rich to reef tourism. So given ito butin o paingon sa dagat,
equal treatment. Dili kay kanila, kay dako ang ibayad. So again, we have to balance in all sides, all angles. Look at it, it's not only developing, but how we can sustain it. Kana nagyot ang among ginagabalik-balik because of the National Tourism Development headed by no less than the Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, highlighted on the sustainable tourism, number 2, resilience and inclusivity. Kita tanan, even the community should know what we are doing. Dili lang ka magsalit ni Mayor. Dili lang tanan si Mayor. Kita mismo, community. Because we want, di ba, mulambo ang ato lugar. Tanan makatrabaho. Dili kayo ato pa sa laing luksod para magtrabaho. We have the product. Naana ni karon. So ato ning ubanan sa pagpaningkamot sa atong mayor na unta mudugay panig muhantod panig para daghan ang maka-trabaho.
Hey!